What's going on, Black and Gray? Hope you're doing well, having a great night. Got a very important announcement and update about the online donations. So we have revamped and recreated and re-engineered and redone everything for the donations to make it more accessible for you and more secure for our payment gateway. So our old platform has they have done a new update. So unfortunately, that means that all of our donations as of tonight will be wiped out. So if you had an automated donation, you're going to need to be sure to follow these instructions to get set up again and to be able to log into your new account profile and view your donation history, print receipts, all that good stuff. So I got some stuff to show you here. So I've got disciplechristianmc.com pulled up. That's where you're going to go. Again, the donation page is where we're going here once you're there. So you're going to click on donations. If you've already created an account, you can go ahead and log in, and all this will look the same. And then when you get to the checkout screen, you won't have to put in your information again. But again, we've still got the this is one time or subscribe, $5 donation, $10 donation, $40, and yearly, or and each of these options has a one-time option as well. So I'm just going to pull up our $10 donation, and so now you will see subscribe here. So it's going to pull it out every week on Friday. That's the only option with this one. So then you're going to add to your cart. I'm just going to go ahead and go through one and kind of show you all how everything looks. Alright, so then we hit checkout, and that takes us to our cart, and then we can check out. And you would do what you normally do. Fill out your information here, hit continue. It'll take you all the way through the checkout screen, and then you should be good to go. Alright, so once you have done that, your first donation will come out that Friday, and then when you come back here to the site, you'll get an email from Rubble. Everything will be explained as far as how to log back in. He'll send you a link to log back in. But in case you lose that link or just want to get in here real quick one day, let me show you how that works. So you hit log in and put in your email address and password. I don't mind y'all seeing my email address, but you can't see my password. Alright, and I've already done one of these donations, so I'm just going to show you where to go from here. So there's not really a special link that says my account or anything, but up here where it says logged in as your name here, you're going to click up there, and that actually is the link that takes you to your account and your profile, and you can manage your subscription from this page. So let's see. So this shows me my entire order history, and then as well as our recurring donations here. So if you want to, for any reason at any time, you can log in and change your credit card information, update your payment information. If you have a credit card that gets canceled or stolen, or you need to update that for whatever reason, we'll be getting an email if something goes wrong with your payment and it doesn't come through for whatever reason, so we can do our best to let you know. But in here is where you can take care of that. So you'll click Manage Subscription and be able to get into your payment profile. So here I've got every 1 week, the $10 subscription. You can click Manage, and here you see you can view or update your card, address, shipping method. It just doesn't really apply to the donations. See what orders are coming up and all that good stuff. Or you can update your subscription there. So this is where you go to do all that, and then from here we can get you back to the store, and that's pretty much it. So again, donations page, and you can log in, log out up here. Click on that link at the top of the screen to view your account. So any questions, feel free to put in the comments below, or send a message to Disciple Rubble. Again, if you had a recurring donation set up, we had to wipe everything out. There was not an option for us to carry everything over to the new system, unfortunately. But this is going to be the last time that you will have to worry about this for a really long time, like maybe 10 years, or until like the internet changes to something else. Who knows? But anyway, for a long time, this is going to be the last time you'll have to update your subscription. And also for year-end taxes, you'll be able to log in, and you won't have to email Disciple Yogi to get a statement for tax purposes. You'll be able to log in there and see your tax-deductible donations. So thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have any questions, feel free to shoot them to us, and hope you all have a good evening. God bless.